going to pull down the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Attention all students. We are all clear. You may now return to your classrooms. Once again, you may now return to your classrooms. Thank you.
Okay, let's continue with warm-ups and balance this equation. So I want you all to try your best and...
Attention evil leafy. Report my office, please. Thank you.
God dang it. Now I'm in trouble.
When evil leafy get back home from school. Oh! Evil leafy. How dare you pull down the fire alarm at school? That's it. You are grounded for a week. Go to your room right now.